Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to Happy Haadi TV.